It is no secret that gender-based violence continues unabated in Guyana, especially since the advent of the COVID-19 pandemic. While this scourge can affect both men and women, the statistics show that the greater impact is often felt by females, both women and girls. The affected persons are often encouraged to speak candidly about their abuse and to file the necessary charges in pursuit of legal action. However, the legal process is sometimes very daunting and can often prevent them from reporting such abuses. Taking cognizance of this fact, it is incumbent upon legal professionals to ensure that they do not re-victimize persons who go to the court seeking justice from getting the short end of the stick. Against this backdrop, timely was the word used by the Honorable Justice YONETTE Cummings-EDWARDS, Chancellor of the Judiciary, to describe the launching of an undertaking to address gender-based violence. This is a training program targeted for members of the legal profession in Guyana, with the expectations that court matters involving these offences will produce just decisions and leave no room for the defendant or the plaintiff to feel victimized twice.
And therefore, the theme of today's launch, Understanding and Addressing Gender-Based Violence, gives us the ability to understand, to comprehend, to have a good insight, to have a good judgment of the issue which we are facing.
The program, which is being facilitated collaboratively between the University of Guyana, the Judiciary of Guyana, and UNICEF, will consist of 4 sessions, as was explained by Dr. KAJTA, clinical psychologist.
Session 2, we're going to address those myths and stereotypes I mentioned, and we're going to see. Now, we are all susceptible to myths and stereotypes. They're part of every culture. But the key becomes, how much do we allow it to influence what is right and objective?
The other sessions will focus on the guiding principles for being non-judgmental, barriers to victims reporting, gender-based violence in relation to the law, and the impact of dealing with gender-based violence as a professional. Meanwhile, Professor PALOMA MOHAMED-MARTINS, Vice Chancellor of the University of Guyana, expressed her satisfaction with the launching of the program, one that she believes is timely in nature, while explaining how the courses will be delivered.
We're going to deliver the program online, but hopefully when we are able to get back face-to-face in a better way, because we're blending now, we will be able to deliver this in a face-to-face way as well.
For the HGB Nightly News, Kendall Richmond.